Do you like the flavor of chai? Today we're going to make a chai lip balm that's natural, no toxins, and is great and soothing for your lips. To start with, we're going to add equal parts of shea butter, beeswax, and cocoa butter. So this is about a tablespoon of each. I did use a digital scale to measure these out, so we went by weight to keep them equal. We're going to melt this in a double boiler system, and we'll be back. We are now nicely melted. I'm going to take and add some vitamin E. These are capsules. I'm just going to poke a hole in them, squish this in. Very nourishing for your lips, as well as being a natural preservative. And then we are going to add 2 drops of each of 5 oils. We're going to start with ginger, two drops of ginger, 2 drops of cardamom, two drops of clove, two drops of cinnamon, oh, these are smelling good, and then 2 drops of Madagascar Vanilla. Going to mix that up, and then we're going to pour it into our lip balm containers. You can order these off Amazon. You can order them in small numbers, in bulk. When I melt them, I try and do it in with a pour spout because it makes life much easier. So that is nicely mixed. And here's a cheap hack. If you put your little containers in a egg carton, they will stand up for you as you are pouring. Pop this one off. Once your lip balms have had a chance to cool, you want to wash them off the sides to get any remaining oils off there, and then add a label so you know what kind of lip balm this is. So I now have 6 vanilla chai lip balms that I can use myself or share with other people. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.